Frankie Barra here with another exposing video. This time it's on Subway on Collins in Joliet, and this fat fuck right here, Gerardo Sanchez, don't go to fucking Subway. He will fuck up your order and he will treat you like shit. And I got the video to prove it. It's right here.
Fucking Subway, you dumb bitch. What the fuck you want, dumbass?
The fuck, nigga?
The fuck, nigga? What the fuck you mean, bitch? What the fuck you want?
Fucking rude ass.
Huh?
Well, why you being a bitch,
Nah,
nigga?
man, fuck you, nigga.
Nah.
You trying to take my man Funny Bar's girl Liberty.
Hey, nigga, I'm gonna take your hat.
Oh, hell no, baby. Fuck you want?
Selling herbs and cheese, nigga.
7 cheese, full long or 6 inch? The fuck you want, bitch? You want full long or 6 inch?
Give me this
Huh?
full on, nigga.
Hey, bitch. No, you want a full on, you fat ass.
The fuck?
Fat goat. Got it. Fucking gorilla monkey.
Hey, tell him BMT though.
Turn me Tito. Ah, fuck you, bitch. You eating veggie.
Once again, his name is Gerardo Sanchez. Don't go to the Subway, and that's not the only thing. This nigga, Angel Cabañas, also a Subway employee, is fucking disgusting. This motherfucker shows his ass to fucking customers, and he jumps on the fucking table, doesn't take his job seriously. Do you really want these niggas making your subs? Think about the fucking children. The service here had me wanting to fuck